Every dealership has a plan until that plan fails. When your DMS goes down, it's more than an inconvenience. It's a full stop. Call your GM panic level disruption. Summer of 2024 seems like an eternity ago. More than 15,000 dealerships learned the hard way for an excruciating 15 days. They had backups. The challenge is backups are passive and only restore data. They aren't a business continuity plan. No DMS can mean payroll delays, service lane chaos, sales halted, phones blowing up, customers walking out your door. That downtime costs dealers $427 per minute. This is VUE Net. It's specifically designed to keep dealerships running no matter what. VUE Net is not a backup file. It's a mirror of your DMS, user setups, specifications, and data. It's your live standby safety net, safeguarding your system across multiple cloud environments. VUE Net is powered by Microsoft Azure. It's always on, secured by 3,500 security professionals monitoring your data 24/7. With VUE Net, your team keeps going, opening ROs, locating parts, accepting deposits, delivering deals. Serving customers even when your main system is down and your competition is still waiting for their reboot, that is business continuity. Think of it like a second car in your garage, ready to drive if the first one won't start. The stakes are high. 60% of businesses never recover from a major disruption. With VUE Net, you have a plan in place to keep your business going. Don't just hope your DMS comes back online. VUE Net gives you a secure, worry-free continuity plan. Because backups restore data, VUE Net restores operations.